Yes, hello everybody. I am Dr. Humaira from JT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon, Nasik. Now, my title is Endocrine System. So, endocrine system is the system which effectively functions on every cell in the body, communicate them with its neighbors and with cells and tissues in distant portions of the body. Most of the communication involve the release and receipt of chemical messages. Each living cell is continually talking to its neighbors by releasing chemicals into the extracellular fluid. These chemicals let cells know what their neighbors are doing at any given moment, and the result is the coordination of tissue function at the local level. The nervous system acts like a telephone company carrying specific messages from one location to another inside the body. The source and destination are quite specific and the effects are short lived. In cellular communication, hormones are like addressed letters, and the circulatory system is the postal service. A hormone released into the circulation will be distributed throughout the body. Each hormone has specific target cells that will respond to its presence. These cells possess the receptors needed to bind and read the hormonal messages. Although a cell may be exposed to the mixture of hormones in circulation at any given moment, it will respond only to those hormones it can bind and read. Because the target cells can be anywhere in the body, a single hormone can alter the metabolic activities of multiple tissues and organs simultaneously. These effects may be slow to appear, but they often persist for days. This persistence makes hormones effective in coordinating cells, tissues, and organs activities. The endocrine system includes all of endocrine cells and tissues of the body. Endocrine cells are glandular secretory cells that release their secretions internally rather than on epithelial surface. The chemicals released by endocrine cells may affect only adjacent cells. Hormones are chemical messengers that are released in one tissue and transported by the circulation to reach target cells in other tissues. Pituitary gland is the main endocrine secretory organ whose primary function is to secrete endocrine hormones.